here's my completed and working circuit. Over here I have my servo connected to here. Over here I have my temp sensor. What should happen is when the temp sensor gets hotter, the servo will move a little bit, and then when it gets colder, it'll move a little bit the other way. So when I put my finger on the servo on it, should hopefully move just a little bit each time. I'm going to take it off. Just start going down a little bit. Arduino. So first I just have the servo file, so it's just so it knows what the servo is. I just have creating the servo object for the declaring it, and then the temp pin at A0. And then in my setup down here, I'm attaching the servo to the number 9 pin, and then just starting my serial monitor. In the loop, I just have setting the sensor value to the analog read of the temp pin, or the temp sensor. And then down here is setting the temp equal to the sensor value and then converting it to Celsius. So whatever the temp pin reads, it'll convert it to Celsius and then give me a value. Just have declaring the servo angle. Then I'm setting the servo angle to the temperature. I multiplied it by 5 just to get a bigger difference in the angle, so it was easier to tell when it moved on the video. And then just moving the servo to that angle. And then down here is just my printouts. So setting the temperature to the temperature, servo to the servo angle. And down here you can see my serial monitor. See it printing out the temperature, and then the servo angle, and you can see it should start going up now. Yep. Here's my Tinkercad view. So up here I have my servo, temp pin, and my Arduino, then attaching the servo to the 9 pin, attaching the temp pin to the A0 pin, and then powering all of them and grounding all of them. My Arduino, my servo, my temp sensor. Then up here I have my connection to the 3.3 volts of power, and then my ground down here. So I connect my temp sensor to power, to the A0 pin, and to the ground down here. And then I connect my servo to the 3.3 volts, to the D9 pin, and to ground down here. And then that's it.